So you have this meditation for creativity. So, ang nakikita ko rito no overall energy ninyo mga water signs is you are focused, no? Focusing on yourself, on your creativity, on your ideas, no? Maybe kung ano man yung mga hobbies ninyo, ano man itong mga pinagkakabalaan nyo sa ngayon, no? You are this na nagfo-focus kayo, no? That's your overall energy. No? Yung mga sabihin natin na I think mga passionate kayong gawin, no? Something like that, no? With your creativity, no? So, you are being more creativity, literally, no? Yung mga ideas on your mind are turning into reality, no? For some of you, no? So, ayun din nakikita ko rito, no? Yung mga dati mo pang mga gustong gawin ngayon, ay nagagawa mo na siya, no? Something like that, no? Mga water signs natin, no? So, let's see what's the current situation with the person on your mind, no? Between the two of you, no? Tignan natin. So, kuha tayo ng um, 5 cards here for you, mga water signs natin. Person on your mind, no? Let's see. What's the overall, current situation ninyo ng person on your mind. Let's see. 4 water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Natin, current situation, person on your mind, 4 water signs. So you have this connection, no? Love is the bridge connecting souls. Cherish those connections, no? So yeah, with this connection, no, may mga sabihin natin na with the bridge nakikita ko may distance sa inyo ng person mo. But then there's a communication din, no? Yeah, may communication naman na nangyayari, no? But then malinaw na with the bridge, no, malayo kayo sa isa't isa. And then with this secrets, no? Something is hidden from you. Someone is not being truthful. So there is someone sneaky, no? Kung sino man sa inyo, no? And then destiny. The reunion with your twin flame is a destined event. No? So, let's see. Kunin muna natin yung mga cards ninyo. So, you have this friendship, this connection